Welcome back to our SSR program. So, last class we discussed what are the parametric functions, how to differentiate such parametric functions. I now recall it. Parametric functions are nothing but, suppose parametric functions x is given in t, if x is given in t, y is given in another function of t. See, both x and y are variables, both variables are expressed in terms of what? In terms of another common variable. That common variable is said to be a parameter. Hence, such functions are called as parametric functions. Then how to differentiate such type of functions? To get the derivative of these functions, we have to differentiate x with respect to t, because x is in given t only. Therefore, by differentiating x with respect to t, we get dx divided by dt. I will just call it as f dash t, and you differentiate y with respect to t, then we get dy divided by dt. I will call, for reference, it is g dash t. By taking these two, we have to find dy by dx, that is dy divided by dx is equal to dy by dt, derivative of y with respect to t, and derivative of x with respect to t. This is known as differentiation of parametric function. This is the idea to get the derivative of a parametric function. I will continue this differentiation of parametric functions by taking few examples, right. If y is equal to a into secant theta, x is equal to a tan theta, find dy divided by dx. This is our question. What is y? Y is a into secant theta, x is what? A into tan theta. We have to find dy by dx. Given, what is given? X and y. You take y is equal to what? A into secant theta. Differentiate y with respect to theta, we get dy by d theta. So, dy by d theta is what? A into differentiation of secant x, it is secant x into tan x. According to that, differentiation of secant theta is what? Secant theta into tan theta. This is the derivative of y with respect to theta. Then you take x is equal to what? A into tan theta. Differentiate x with respect to theta, we get dx divided by d theta. Therefore, a is constant, derivative of tan x is what? It is secant square x. So, based on that, derivative of tan theta with respect to theta is equal to secant square theta. Using dy by d theta and dx by d theta, we can write dy divided by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy divided by d theta divided by dx divided by d theta, which is equal to, you just substitute the values of dy by d theta and dx by d theta. So, dy by d theta is a into secant theta into tan theta. divided by dx by d theta is a into secant square theta, a cancel, secant cancel, you will have tan theta divided by secant theta. If you want, you can further simplified. What is tan? Tan can be taken as sin theta divided by cos theta, all divided by secant theta is what? 1 divided by cos theta, by cross multiplying it sin theta by cos theta into the denominator is taken to numerator, it will become what? Cos theta divided by 1, cos cancel, it is equal to sin theta. See, the given example is what? It is y is equal to a secant theta, x is equal to a tan theta. With that we have to find dy by dx. We have to take y, it is to be differentiated with respect to given parameter. Here is theta, therefore we are differentiating with respect to theta. Differentiate y with respect to theta, we get dy by d theta is equal to a is constant, we have to keep it as it is, differentiation of secant theta into tan theta. Next, given x is equal to what? A into tan theta, it is differentiated with respect to theta, we get dx divided by d theta, differentiation of a into tan theta, a is constant, we have kept as it is, differentiation of tan is secant square theta. Hence, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Hence, dy by d theta is a secant theta into tan theta, dx by d theta is a into secant square theta. You cancel a, secant and secant, we will be getting tan theta by secant theta. Again it is to be further simplified by taking tan as sin theta by cos theta, secant theta as 1 by cos theta, cos cancel, you will have sin theta is answer. Next question. Next question, if x is equal to a into sin cube t, y is equal to a into cos cube t, find dy divided by dx at t is equal to pi divided by 4. This is very important question, many times it is asked in exams. What is question? X is equal to a into sin cube t and y is equal to what? A into cos cube t. With that we have to find out dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4. You take the given function, what is given? X is equal to a into sin cube t. It can be taken as a into sin t whole cube, right? Differentiate x with respect to t. Therefore, dx divided by dt is equal to a is constant into function is there, therefore, we have to take constant as it is. Function is to be differentiated. What is function? Sin t to the power of 3, function to the power of n, x to the power of 3, like that. If it is function to the power of n, its derivative is what? N into n is 3, function is what? Sin t to the power of 3 minus 1 into d by dt, because it is in t only, d by dt of sin t. This is 3 a sin t to the power of 3 minus 1 is what? It is 2, therefore, I will take it as sin square t into differentiation of sin t. Differentiation of sin t is cos t. This is the derivative of what? X. Then you take y is equal to what? A into cos cube t. Differentiate y with respect to t, we get dy by dt. dy by dt is equal to here also we can take it as a into cos t whole to the power of 3, cos t whole to the power of t. Then a we have to keep it as it is, this is function to the power of n, it is n into function to the power of n minus 1 into d by dt of function. What is function? Function is t. This is equal to 3 a into cos of 3 minus 2 is what? 2 into t. Differentiation of cos is what? Minus sin t. This is the dy divided by dt. Using these two we can find out dy by dx. Therefore, dy divided by dx is equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. You substitute dy by dt value, dy by dt value is minus 3 into a into cos square t into sin t whole divided by dx by dt. Dx by dt is what? 3 into a into sin square t into cos t. 3 cancel, a cancel, 1 cos cancel, sin cancel, we remains minus cos t divided by sin t, it is equal to minus cot t. Differentiation of dy by dx is what? Minus cot t. After putting t is equal to pi by 4, what we will get? We have to check. The question is finding dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4. Therefore, at t is equal to pi by 4, dy by dx is equal to minus cot pi by 4. What is cot pi by 4? Cot 45. Cot 45 is equal to 1. Therefore, it is minus 1. So, answer is what? Minus 1. That is the derivative of the given parametric function at x is equal to t is equal to pi divided by 4. We can go for other example. Next question. If x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta and y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, show that dy by dx is equal to tan theta by 2. Let me see whether we get tan theta by 2 or not. You do the parametric differentiation. You take x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta, right. Differentiate x with respect to theta. Hence, we get dx divided by d theta, that is a into differentiation of x is 1. So, according to that, differentiation of theta is 1 minus differentiation of sin theta. Differentiation of sin theta is what? It is cos theta. Next, y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Differentiate y with respect to theta. Therefore, we get dy by d theta, that is equal to a into 1, differentiation of 1 is 0 plus differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. It is equal to what? Minus a sin theta. So, I am not sure whether we get dy by dx is equal to tan theta by 2. Let me check. Therefore, we have to find what? Dy by d theta, sorry, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta is equal to, what is dy by d theta? Dy by d theta is minus a into sin theta divided by, what is dx by d theta? A into 1 minus cos theta. So, a cancel, we have minus sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. As we know that according to submultiple angle formula, sin of a is equal to 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2, and as we know that 1 minus cos a can be taken as 2 sin square a by 2. Using these two formula, dy by dx reduces to minus sin theta can be taken as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 whole divided by 1 minus cos a is 2 sin square a by 2, right. According to that, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2, 2 cancel, sin cancel, we have minus of cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2. So, minus cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2 is what? It is minus of cot theta by 2. So, answer is what? Minus cot theta by 2. So, we can show that dy by dx is equal to minus cot of theta by 2. This is the derivative of a given function. You take other example. You take next example. If x is equal to a into cos t plus t into sin t into sin t, whereas y is equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Show that dy by dx is equal to tan t. This is our question. What is the question? If x is equal to a into cos t plus t sin t and y is equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. See the answer for this. You take x is equal to a into cos t plus t sin t. Differentiate x with respect to t. We get dx divided by dt. A is constant, we have to keep it as it is. What is differentiation of cos t? Differentiation of cos t is minus sin t plus differentiation of t into sin t. You take t into sin t as product rule. This is u, this is v. We have to use product rule. T into d by dt of sin t plus sin t into d by dt of t, then it is equal to a into minus sin t plus t. Keep it as it is. Differentiation of sin t is cos t plus keep sin t as it is. Differentiation of t is equal to 1. This is dy divided by dt. Then you take y is equal to what? A into sin t minus t into cos t. Therefore, we get dy by dt is equal to, a is constant, we have to keep it as it is. Differentiation of sin t, differentiation of sin t is cos of t minus t into cos t is there. How to differentiate that? Again we have to use product rule. T is taken as u, cos t is taken as v. Hence, according to product rule, t into d by dt of cos t plus cos t into d by dt of 1 or sorry t. Hence, it is equal to a into cos t, we have to keep it as it is, minus t into differentiation of cos t is minus sin t plus cos t into differentiation of t is 1, or it can be taken as a into cos t minus of minus plus t into sin t plus into minus minus cos t. Is it right? See, dy by dt is what? A into minus sin t plus t into cos t plus sin t. This sin t minus sin t cancel. Here also cos t minus cos t cancel. Dx by dt is equal to a into t into cos t. Dy by dt is a into t into sin t. Using this we can write dy by dt. Therefore, dy by dt is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Dy by dt is what? Dy by dt is a into t into sin t divided by dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to a into t into cos t. A get cancel, t get cancel. Differentiation of sin t by cos t is what? It is tan t. We got the same answer. It is the derivative of the parametric function. You can take other example. I am taking little bit different problem. If x is equal to, it is appearing on slide, x is equal to sin inverse of 3t minus 4t cube, and y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus 2t square. 1 minus 2t square. We have to find dy by dx. Find dy divided by dx. You see the question, if x is equal to what? Sin inverse of 3t minus 4t cube, and y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus 2t square. Here if you go according to the inverse trigonometric functions differentiation, it is to be treated as what? Sin inverse of function. Sin inverse of function, it goes lengthy. That is why if you go for substitution method, you will get the answer very directly. Therefore, what I am going to do? I take t is equal to sin t. I take t is equal to sin t. Substitution method, according to that substitution method, this is to be reduced to very simple form. Put t is equal to sin theta, different, take t is equal to what? Sin theta. Therefore, sin become what? Sin inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. As we know that 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, it is sin 3 theta, correct? It is sin 3 theta. Again, according to inverse trigonometry, sin inverse of sin theta is what? Theta. Sin inverse of sin x is x. Sin inverse of sin 1 is 1. Therefore, it is equal to 3 theta. You take theta is equal to t is equal to sin theta. Therefore, you can differentiate with respect to theta, or you can replace it in terms of t. Here also y is equal to what? It is cos inverse of 1 minus 2 t square. It is cos inverse of 1 minus 2. What is t? T is equal to sin theta. Sin theta. Then it will become 2 sin square theta. That is cos inverse of 1 minus 2 sin square theta is cos 2 theta. It will become 2 theta. Then you can take the theta value. You can take the theta value, or you can differentiate directly. Differentiate it. Differentiate x with respect to theta. Otherwise, you can take in terms of t. Therefore, dx by d theta is equal to 3 into 1. It is 3. Differentiate y with respect to theta. You will get dy divided by d theta is equal to 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. Finally, we can find out dy divided by dx. Therefore, dy divided by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx divided by d theta, which is equal to dy by d theta is what? Dy by d theta is 2, dx by d theta is 3. Answer is 2 divided by 3, which is the derivative of the given function. You can take another simple problem. You see the slide. You see the slide. If x is equal to sin inverse t, y is equal to cos inverse t, we have to find dy by dx. You take x is equal to sin inverse t and y is equal to cos inverse t. Both are differentiated with respect to x. We get dx divided by dt. What is differentiation of sin inverse x? It is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So, here we have to take 1 by root of 1 minus t square. Then dy by dt is what? It is minus 1 by root of 1 minus t square. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. You put dy by dt minus 1 by root of 1 minus t square, dx by dt is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Both root of 1 minus t square get cancelled. You will get minus 1 divided by 1. That is our answer for that question. Next important topic we have to discuss, it is successive differentiation, or it is higher order differentiation. Successive differentiation or higher order differentiation. Higher order differentiation. It is the another type of differentiation. When we call successive, successive means continuous. Suppose you take y is equal to a function, is function of x. y is a function of x. If it is differentiable, y is f of x. If it is a differentiable, you can differentiate this, differentiate y with respect to x, we get dy divided by dx. I will call this as f dash x, is called first order differentiation, is called first order differentiation, or it is known as first order derivative, first order derivative. Again, if the dy by dx, if dy by dx is again differentiable, if it is again differentiable, you can differentiate it, again differentiate with respect to x, we get d by dx of dy by dx, dy by dx. This d by dx of dy by dx can be called as d square y divided by dx square, d square y by dx square. I will take it as f double dash x is called second order differentiation or second order derivative. Again you can continue it. What you will get? You will get d cube y by dx cube, d to the power of 4 y by dx to the power of 4, and so on. What we did? We took one function, that is y is equal to f of x. It is differentiated, that we have done already. So many problems are worked out to get the dy by dx. That is the first order differentiation. The first order derivative, if it is a differentiable, we have to go for successive differentiation, means again it is differentiated with respect to x. We get d square y divided by dx square. This is called as second order differentiation or second order derivative. Again if it is differentiated with respect to x, what we will get? We will get d cube y divided by dx cube. It is known as third order differentiation. If you again differentiate this with respect to x, what we will get? We will get d to the power of 4 y by dx to the power of 4, and we can go up to nth order differentiation. We can go for nth order differentiation, but our scope is to study up to second order differentiation. Only the second order differentiation we have to get, that is the syllabus. Okay. Successive differentiation or higher order differentiation. Why it is called higher order differentiation? We are finding second order, third order, fourth order, fifth order, etc. Hence it is higher order derivative or differentiation. It is called successive. Why it is called successive? As you differentiate, we get derivative, again derivative is differentiated successively, again the derivative is differentiated successively, hence it is known as successive differentiation. Here we have to remember the notations. Dy by dx is called first order differentiation. That first order differentiation can also be written like this: first order derivative, or taken as dy by dx, or it is f dash x, or it is y1, or it is y dash. All these things gives you the same meaning. The first order derivative is dy by dx, or it is f dash x, or it is y1, or it is y dash. Second order derivative. So, second order derivative is d square y by dx square, or it is called f double dash x, or it is called y2, or it is called y double dash. It is the denotion of the second order derivative. For third For third order derivative, we can write d cube y divided by dx cube, or it is y triple prime x, or it is y 3, or it is y triple dash. It is the third order derivative, and we can continue them up to nth order d n y divided by d x to the power of 3. It is called nth order derivative. This is out of scope here. When you go to the engineering BE or BTech, there it is there we have to study nth derivative of the function. It is called nth function, like this, or they are all denotion of the nth order derivative. Clear? Then you take a few example differentiation of some standard. You take some function to get the successive differentiation or higher order derivatives. You take an example. If y is equal to 2 x to the power of 5 plus 3 x to the power of 4, you can take any example, minus 5x square plus 6x minus 9. Find d square y divided by dx square. Find d square y by dx square. What is given? Y is equal to 2x to the power of 5 plus 3x to the power of 4 minus 5x square plus 6x minus 9. Differentiate y with respect to x. What we get? We get dy by dx, that is first order differentiation. Dy by dx, it is the first order differentiation. So, if 2 into 5, it is 10 x to the power of 4 plus 3 into 4, it is 12 x to the power of 3 minus 5 into 2, 10 x to the power of 1 plus 6 into 1 minus 0. It is 10 x to the power of 4 plus 12 x cube minus 10 x plus 6. It is the dy by dx. Again, if it is differentiated with respect to x, what we will get? We will get d square y by dx square. Again differentiate with respect to x, we get d square y divided by dx square, which is equal to 10 into 4, it is 40 x to the power of 4 minus 1 x to the power of n form, n into x to the power of n minus 1 plus 12 into 3, 36 x to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 10 into 1 plus 0. Derivative of constant is 0, hence it is 40 x cube plus 36 x square minus 10. It is the second order derivative, or it is the d square y divided by dx square. Clear? Then you go for another example, or I will repeat this. Y will be given. How to get d square y by dx square? We have to first differentiate the y with respect to x. So, when y is differentiated with respect to x, we will get dy by dx. When dy by dx is again differentiated with respect to x, we will get d square y by dx square. So, this is the procedure we have to follow to get the higher order derivative. Next, we can take another example. Next example is, if y is equal to, if x square plus y square is equal to 25, find d square y divided by dx square. What is question? x square plus y square is equal to 25. Find d square y by dx square. You take the given function x square plus y square is equal to 25. It is of what? Implicit function, correct? Differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, we get differentiation of x square is 2x plus differentiation of y square is 2y into dy divided by dx is equal to differentiation of 25, it is constant 0. Hence, you can reduce it for dy by dx, 2y dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. Then dy by dx is what? It is equal to minus 2x divided by 2y, 2 cancel, it is minus x divided by y. Now, we have dy by dx, again it is differentiated with respect to x, again differentiate with respect to x. How to differentiate this? By using quotient rule, u divided by v. What the quotient rule says? v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v whole divided by v square. It is what? Quotient rule. So, according to that, we take d square y by dx square is equal to
good morning viewers.
Quotient rule y
in this session
into
let us concentrate our interest on
x
solving few problems
minus x into d by dx of what? Y whole divided by y square. Y square. Now, wherever we have d by dx, that is to be differentiated, other things are taken as it is, that is equal to y into differentiation of minus x minus 1 minus of minus is plus x into differentiation of y, it is dy by dx only whole divided by what? It is y square. So, we have to get d square y by dx square, it is obtained in dy by dx. For that, we have to take as, we have to substitute dy by dx value. What is dy by dx? It is minus x divided by y, minus y plus x into differentiation of y with respect to x. What we got? We got minus x divided by y, minus x divided by y, it is equal to y square. Or you can also simplify further, minus y minus into plus minus x square by y whole divided by y square. Again, if you want, you can go for simplification, y is LCM y cube, sorry, minus y square minus x square divided by y square, or it is, if you take minus, it will become x square plus y square whole divided by, this goes to what? Denominator, it will become y cube. The differentiation of d square y by dx square of x square plus y square is equal to 25 is minus of x square plus y square by y cube. Sometime it can also be taken like this, minus 25 divided by y cube. Why? This is given, x square plus y square is equal to 25. It is the answer. Next, let us move to another problem. You take some other function y is equal to, if y is equal to x square into sin 3x, you can quote any example, find d square y divided by dx square. What is function? X square into sin 3x. First we have to get dy by dx. How to get dy by dx? The given function is to be differentiated with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. We get dy by dx. How it is differentiated? X square into 3x is there, therefore use product rule, u into v. What the product rule says? It is u into d by dx of v sin x sin 3x plus sin 3x into d by dx of x square. Is it right? This is our product rule. Then x square into differentiation of sin 3x. Differentiation of sin 3x is sin of function. Sin of function is cos of function into d by dx of function, that is 3x, plus keep sin 3x as it is, differentiation of x square. Differentiation of x square is what? It is 2x. This is equal to x square cos 3x into differentiation of 3x, that is 3 into 1 plus 2x into sin 3x. So, therefore, dy by dx is equal to 3 x square cos 3x plus 2x into sin 3x. This is dy by dx. With this, again we have to find out d square y by dx square. How to get d square y by dx square? It is again differentiated with respect to x. Differentiation of this is what? Again we have to go for product rule, uv method. Again this is u, this is v. We have to apply product rule twice. For first term we get d square y by dx square is equal to 3x square, you keep it as it is. Differentiation of cos 3x. Differentiation of cos function is what? Minus sin function into differentiation of function 3 into 1, you can write directly, plus cos of 3x into differentiation of 3x square, is it 6x? Differentiation of x square is 2x, 2 into 3 is 6x, plus I am writing directly derivative of 2x into sin 3x. Again you go for product rule, keep 2x as it is. Differentiation of sin function, it is cos function into d by dx of function 3 into 1, plus keep sin 3x as it is. Differentiation of 2x, 2 into 1. Differentiation of 2x is what? 2 into 1, 2 into 1. This is equal to minus 3 into 3, 9 x square sin 3x plus 6x into cos 3x plus 2x into 3, that is 6x into cos 3x plus 2 into sin 3x. It is the derivative of the given function. Y is equal to x square into sin 3x. It is the second order derivative. Next, you see the another problem. The problem is product of two terms. You take the problem. Problem is what? Y is equal to cos 2x into cos 4x. Find d square y by dx square. Find d square y by dx square. Suppose if you differentiate it directly, we have to use product rule, correct? Cos 2x into cos 4x. while differentiating we will get product of two terms plus product of two terms. Again if you differentiate it, what you will get? Again it is to be differentiated 4 times the product rule. So, you can also do like that. Instead of that you can do it in other method, that is taking the formula as cos A into cos B is equal to cos A into cos B is equal to 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Here you take A as this is cos B, this is cos A. So, when there is a product you can take any one as first one, other one as second one. Then y become 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B 4x plus 2x plus cos of 4x minus 2x. Then y is equal to what? 1 by 2 into cos of 6x plus cos of 2x. So, with this you can find derivative of any order, you will get easily. Otherwise, if you do directly, what happens? We have to apply product rule 4 times. Now, you can differentiate directly, we can differentiate any number of times directly. Differentiate y with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to of is constant, keep it as it is, cos of 6x, cos of function, cos function is what? Minus sin function, is it right? Minus sin function into d by dx of 6x. Similarly, cos 2x, it is minus sin 2x sin function into d by dx of 2x. Differentiation of cos of function is minus sin of function into differentiation of function. It is equal to what? 1 by 2 into minus sin 6x, differentiation of 6x is 6 into 1, plus into minus, minus sin 2x into differentiation of 2x is 2 into 1. So, it is 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2 into minus 6 into sin 6x minus 2 into sin 2x. It is what? It is dy by dx. Again if it is differentiated, again differentiate with respect to x, we get d square y divided by dx square is equal to, we will have 1 by 2 as it is, minus 6 as it is, differentiation of sin 6x, differentiation of sin is cos, cos 6x into differentiation of 6x is what? 6 into 1, I am writing directly, minus 2 into differentiation of sin x, differentiation of sin x is cos x, here sin of function is cos of function into 2 into 1, it can be taken as 1 by 2 into 6 into 6, 36, 36 cos x minus of 2 into 2, 4 cos 2x. It is the differentiation, second order derivative of cos 2x and cos 4x. You take another simple example, y is equal to, another example, y is equal to sin square x, find d square y by dx square. What is y? Y is sin square x, you can take it as sin x to the power of 2, right? Differentiating it, what we will get? Dy by dx. Differentiation of sin x to the power of 2, it is 2 into sin x to the power of 2 minus 1 into d by dx of sin Ex. It is 2 sin x, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Again, if you want to differentiate it, you can go using product rule. Otherwise, you can take it as sin 2x directly, because sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. Is it right? According to that, it will become what? Sin 2x. Again differentiate this, again differentiate, we will get d square y by dx square. It is equal to, differentiation of sin is cos function into d by dx of function. It is cos 2x into differentiation of 2x is 2 into 1. Finally, it is 2 into cos of 2x. It is called the second order derivative of y with respect to x. Here the function is what? Y is equal to sin square x. So, for successive differentiation I have shown few examples. In the next class we will continue the other problems based on this chapter, that is successive differentiation or higher order differentiation. So, with this I want to stop here. Next class we will continue it. Thank you very much.